Yeah, very best yeah.
You know that now what I speak or not?
Yeah, of course
That one what language?
Chinese Chinese.
No.
Hokkien.
Start with C.
Cantonese.
Correct.
Yeah.
Because Hong Kong Hong Kong they can speak Chinese.
Yeah.
But their main language is Cantonese.
Oh, Cantonese. Another one.
Just now that one was the best one. Just now the SQ, the big one.
Oh yeah, yes.
That one SQ 777
777. Then now it's 787 now. There's another one behind. I think it's A350. Yeah, A350. SQ also. But this one I don't know. This one is Scoot I think.
Scoot where got 350?
No, 787. Sometimes the normal livery or Pokemon.
That time Sui one there. I saw that one Pokemon.
So 787-9. So I remember the registration number. 9V-OJJ. I know the registration numbers. Yeah. Walao.
Gear down.
Gear down for landing.
Flaps full.
Yes. Sometimes just now the ACT cargo. Go left right yeah. SQ. I was right. SQ.
For me For me, you know what or not? If I were pilot you know, if I were captain you know what I would do first or not?
What will you do?
Gear down.
Of course.
After gear down already, then flaps.
Yeah, flaps down.
First no, actually first flaps 1.
Yes.
After flaps 1, flaps 2.
Then 3.
Flaps 3. Then flaps full. Flaps full. After flaps full already, then finally, when final on approach, then gear down.
Yes, gear down. If like the weather so bad like this sometimes the ATC say okay, you make a miss approach. That means your flaps must go up. Your gear up, don't go down. Must up.
Because for me if it's too shaky, if I say it's too shaky but if I say it's not too shaky or what, I still can get back on the aircraft back meaning my landing still can go.
Yeah, can go like straight straight up. So A350.
Another one.
I think SQ or CX. I don't know. Maybe SQ. I saw on the flight radar. I think this one SQ. At home I also have the SQ, the model from my cousin under stewardess.
So now your cousin still in SQ or go to another company already?
No more already. Retire already. Like not retire like resign already Don't want to work as stewardess anymore.
Currently in SQ stewardess job all very demanding one.
Very jialat one. Lah,
CI lah.
CI, China, Air China. What the?
This one from Taiwan one.
No, China Airlines.
This one Taiwan one.
Correct. Air China, no, China Airlines. Sorry, I thought color white yeah. What is purple?
Wait.
It's purple.
I remember last time I go Taiwan, that time I took this airline mah.
Oh yeah, China Airlines though.
Yeah, last time one I remember. Last time when I went to Taiwan, that time my flight was at T1.
T1.
Not T1. After that they shift to T3.
Wow, so fast they change.
Yeah.
That one the Airbus A330 MRTT.
MRTT.
The Republic Singapore Air Force. That one. Because they that one lah, like they tompang this airport . I thought they want to land at Seletar, right? Sekali they tompang here. Just like the Airbus A330 MRTT and Fokker 50. Also they tompang.
They also got the Charlie 17 also.
Correct. That's why they tompang here. No, the C-17 not here. At Seletar.
Oh, Paya Lebar.
Yes, correct. At Seletar Airport.
If let's say they got the air show again at Air Force if they show the new model the F-35 Lightning II
yeah.
I want to try to go in the seat.
Then try
the seat
Yeah, hopefully one day lah. Maybe next year. I don't know.
No, Vic, you know what I think about? Why US don't want to give the 22?
Don't know leh. Weird, right?
I like the 22.
But at US they use the.
You know why? I get it. You know why US don't want to give the F-22 like F-22 Raptor or not?
Why?
Because the payment
expensive.
Payment is very expensive. Very expensive. The F-35 Lightning II is actually when I check on Google the price is much cheaper compared to the F-22.
Uish, expensive though.
Yeah. If you want to go for lunch already or not?
But lunch very fast The food court very far already
Never mind. Later we take a bus. We take a bus back
Yeah lah, but I go back at 5 though.
We take a bus to there.
Yeah lah, but I already promised my mum go back 5 PM.
Go back 5 PM. But makan how?
I makan at home Because my mum got some dishes
For me, I must makan here because if I don't makan later my mom scared I pay.
If like I want to makan here, I ask permission first. Cannot suka-suka say I go makan here. Later my mom say, why never balik? Then how I going to answer?
You tell your mother now you go makan with me
If I say your name later my mom say, I thought you go alone.
Never mind, you tell your mother, say like you want to go makan.
Yeah lah.
You ask now you ask your mother now. But don't anyhow pull my name
No. I say I go makan alone.
So what your mother say?
Haven't yet. I just WhatsApp her. I say I later go back I want to makan at Changi Village kan not? I said to her like that If she say can. If cannot, I go back.
I also ask my mother. I tell my mother don't buy dinner. I eat here first.
Yeah lah.
I eat here already. After that then I take 109.
Yeah lah.
Mother no.老婆em mà qua mọi người chỉ nó tăng
737. Bom tengah nak rest. So budak-budak army belum keluar. Oh, here it comes. 737 S800. What airline is this? What airline is this? I can't see the airline though. nampak ah. Apa airline saya ni? Okay. Where is this?
Bola lah, bola sini dah mah.
Oh, Malaysia. Malaysia Airlines. Okay. Malaysia Airlines. I thought what airlines lah. Tak nampak pun negara aku livery.
我早起先了，下坡都啊，
Pelik tu.
下坡都到，
That's weird. That's weird. Ya, I think zoom out je lah ya. Sekarang 2.0. So I can nampak.
我这种个八啦，当时我到华家啦，下坡。
Lah ke sana. Aku tak nak ni langit stay Jangan Kalau stay matilah nak. Spoil lah PlaneSpotting aku Oh, video. Here comes 787. I think 8-800. Because it's a bit shorter. No, it's not. I think 1.5. Okay lah, around there. It's Gulf Air. It's Gulf. Gulf. Gulf Air. Gulf Air.
Sweet. Lawe ni.
Cek Ibu ada WhatsApp tak? Pengen reply.
Okay,我知影啦，拜。拜。
What your mom say?
Tell her I just now 10 o'clock. I just then later around 2-3 plus then I eat. Macam mana, Vic?
Haven't reply My mom so quiet. My mom haven't reply, like very quiet lah.
If your mom reply already, then normally she will say what?
Say okay can. But now I think she busy at home
If she busy, try to understand her lah.
Yeah lah.
My mother also sometimes busy at work also. I also try to understand her. It's good.
It's good. There's no Gulf Air. Gulf
Air into Middle East.
Yeah, the 787.
Tadi dia masuk laju so.
Siap. Like zoom. Go like that, the speed.
Like that.
There's another one.
Lu tengok ni, ni turun ni golong gagak.
Mana dia?
Atas tu lift.
Pokok kelapa
Yang itu atas lift.
Ni
Aduh, lu tengok.
tu dia.
Suka kasih kita tengok dia punya pantat.
Kurang asam betul ni. Dia gagak.
Fik, lu tahu dah. Itu sini kan boleh kayu sampai Changi Beach.
Changi Bay Point
Sampai tu lepas Changi Beach lah.
Tapi ujung lagi. Pasal sana kan ferry terminal kan.
Itu ferry terminal, itu army punya lah.
Udah army.
Ni sini punya bomber.
Bomber punya. Bukan bomber. Ni bomber. Tapi yang kat tengah polis. Polis punya tempat. Tempat kapal.
Polis kapal punya tempat dah. Sini punya bomber.
Memang banyak.
Kalau kapal tapi sini kan bomber dia, kalau sini bomber dia ada exercise.
Memang.
Kalau kapal masuk tu sea kan.
Kat sana.
Kalau kapal masuk tu sea upon land, kalau kapal masuk tu sea, ada apa emergency ke apa, dia crash dekat sea kan. Tapi itu bomber kan, dia boleh masuk.
Memang boleh. Tapi dia nak kena tu lah, tunggu further instruction lah. Boleh masuk tidak lah.
Tunggu further instruction lah from itu commander lah. Ni apa?
SQ kot.
SQ lah, 350.
SQ lah. Kena check dia ni lah, colour dia. SQ lah. Yes. SHC Navy-SHC
Sierra Oscar Charlie.
Yeah. Relax saya. Relax. Tadi the one cargo right, ACT cargo. From here like go like that no. Go left right. Sekali steady. Zoom.
I think maybe because of the wind lah.
The wind like this lah, very strong. That's why
it's because of the wind.
That's why like this have to wait for the ATC Say in case the wind so strong they will make a misapproach. But they have to control I think this one A320 Neo. That's why the colour like that one.
That day I saw this Thailand this Thai Air
Thai Airways.
Thai Airways Smile
Smile.
They use the 320.
With sharklets
Yeah. If Thai Airways normally all the like 787, 350, 777.
Sometime if like some others that like, one normal one.
Wait, I tell you something. Last time when I went to Bangkok when I was young that time I flew their 747.
That one my dad also under 747 from Singapore to I think India, I think Mumbai, Taj Mahal.
The time when I go to Hong Kong that time I flew their Cathay Pacific 747 The turbulence very shaky.
This one I know what airline is this. Chongqing Airlines. Because see the colour Chongqing A320 Neo. Yeah, it is Chongqing. There, boom. It is Chongqing. No lah, Xiamen. No, it is Chongqing. Chongqing. I thought Xiamen.
Chongqing.
Yeah, because the tail right, like a Pepsi.
Chongqing.
Pepsi logo.
Chongqing, Zhongguo.
Chongqing. CHONGQING.
Because the slang you must talk you must talk a bit like my slang Chongqing. Because it's China
This one
China I went a lot of time already.
Many time.
Because over there in China now in China got a lot of Muslim
A lot
But actually China their main language is Mandarin.
Mandarin.
So I also speak Mandarin. Just now that one I speak to my mom. I speak Hokkien. Because my mom is Teochew. So I speak Hokkien.
Another got one more behind. I saw it.
Where?
There. The in front is I think it's A320 right. You see another shadow right at the back. I saw it. There. I saw. Wow. My video is longer right now. 20 minutes 12 seconds. Wow. Confirm if I do a long video
your chip bomb
chip bomb.
Use the bus one you know what brand or not?
What brand?
Volvo.
Volvo.
But the behind one I know, Scania.
The bright red one.
The bright red one Scania. Your chip bomb one Volvo.
Right now both chip bomb resting tired. Because I thought you want to go makan, you don't want to makan.
You waiting for 1 o'clock
1 o'clock Now 1 plus already.
I think the boat haven't arrived yet.
Yeah, haven't.
Yeah, the boat arrived already. Actually, that one earlier one.
Earlier.
But the 1 o'clock one still haven't arrived yet.
Yeah, if like someone call my uncle say okay now the army recruit come out already. Okay, then sekali my uncle then switch on the engine and then we go off.
Now all the driver all the driver here one all resting.
Resting first They finish at 11 Wah, so late
Because they got okay, normally for bus one they send the recruit one they got different location. Some they got Tanah Merah, they got Expo, or the one different location.
Xiamen. There the colour. Xiamen.